Hello, in this video we are going to cover media object positioning. So when we say media object positioning, we're talking about aligning this object right here, the thumbnail, to the top, the middle, or the bottom of the media object, aka the media object height is this right here because it includes the text. So to make it a little taller, we're just going to add some more text. I'm going to copy and paste that. So there's 3 instances of it. Save it. As you can see, this media object is a lot taller. Now, by default, the media object is aligned to the top. To align it to the middle, it's simple. You go to the anchor, which has a class of media-left. You put media-middle. Save that. Refresh. It's now in the middle of the object. And if you want it at the bottom, I think you guessed, it's media-bottom. So if we just refresh, there we go, it's aligned at the bottom now. And if we just start resizing our browser, see on this particular screen size, this is really tall because there isn't a lot of space, and due to the way we've set it with the screen sizes and the columns, and therefore it's all the way at the bottom here. It's always at the bottom because we've put media-bottom. So that's how you align media objects. If you have any questions for Bootstrap or anything else, feel free to post them on sonarlearning.co.uk/questions.php. There'll be a link in the description to that. Plus there'll be another link in the description to the source code from this video and all the other Bootstrap videos in this series. Please rate, comment and subscribe, as it does really help keep the content free. Plus it also helps us grow, which means we can provide more content on a regular basis. And as usual, thank you for watching and I hope you have a great day.